Hello everyone, welcome to GIS Hub YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you that how to convert the coordinates with degrees, minutes and seconds into decimal degree coordinates. It's a super easy method and you don't need extra softwares, extra knowledge, and you can use your existing Excel knowledge to do this. So let's move into the video. So thank you very much for clicking the thumbnail and coming to watch the video. So suppose you have some coordinates like this in degrees, minutes and second format, but although you need to import these coordinates into a GIS software like ArcGIS, you cannot simply do that by keeping this format. So you need to convert into decimal degrees to do that. So I will show you that how to convert degrees, minutes, seconds coordinate into decimal degrees, and you can follow the steps hereafter. So first I will simply copy this easting coordinates into a separate column for understanding purpose. Then you have to click this data tab, here data tab, and text to column option. Then click the fixed width option here, then click next. Then you have to adjust the numbers or the breaking points by simply clicking on this graduated scale here and separate the numbers as I do. Right here 80 means the degrees, then this column represent the minutes and this column represent the seconds. Then click finish. Then you will end up with this kind of format. Then you can simply delete these columns. So now you have degrees, minutes and here the seconds. So here you have the converted longitude decimal degrees. Then what you have to do is just simply enter the equal mark, then the degrees plus minutes divide by 60 plus seconds divide by 3600 and hit enter. Then this is the converted decimal degree coordinates of your original uh, easting coordinate. So you can click this cell and just drag into the bottom to convert the rest of the coordinates. Then you will end up with this kind of decimal degree format coordinates. So now the our job is done. So you can do this same steps to the northing coordinates as well, and you can get the latitude decimal degrees as well. So then you can create a table like this. Finally, here is the sample locations here, and this is the original northing coordinates, and this is the converted latitude decimal degree coordinates, and this is the original easting coordinates, and finally this is the converted longitude decimal degree coordinates. So thank you for watching the video, and subscribe my channel and smash the bell icon. Then you can receive the videos as soon as I publish them. So stay tuned. In the next video I will explain that how to import these coordinates into ArcGIS software. Thank you.